Good morning, everyone. Today I was going to be doing the making page kits out of Hello Baby Girl, which I actually had set up to go today, and then I remembered that I had making embellishments with scraps to embellishment with Ginger at Ginger's Corner. And our theme is fur babies. I had to think of it because I don't have my paper here. So anyhow, I've had a dog before. Actually, I had two dogs, one when I was older and one when I was a child. But anyhow, I've had cats a lot of times. And anyhow, I seen this and I actually purchased it on Amazon, and I just thought it was so cute. Now, when I actually cut them out, I realized that there was something weird about it. And it's because this is the back side, or it's flipped over. So, and maybe they just like flipped the picture or something, but anyhow, I printed it out and it was backwards, so I had to figure out how to do it forward. But anyhow, the first one I did it all in black, and I'm gonna come in a little bit. I did it all in black, and that was super cute, and that's really what I planned on doing. And then I was cutting them all out with my die cutter, and I thought, oh, that black in there, because I got out all my scraps, and I thought that's super cute. That plaid would make really cute ones, because my favorite cats are black and white. So I just thought, I'm gonna make it black and white one. And so then I decided I was gonna make them all different. So let's hop right into it. So here's the dies, and they were actually one piece. And then when I decided I was gonna cut out different color ones, and here's the different colors I've cut out. So I have gray, I have orange, I have this yellow with like swirls through it, and then I actually had a piece of, it looks like leopard in my scraps. So, and I wish I would have cut, if I would have arranged this just right, I could have got two sets, but I didn't cut it right. And I'm not gonna take these apart because this cuts them all. So I wanna keep it like that, so I would just have to cut apart the paper to make it like that. So anyway, if you are doing this, you wanna make sure that you realize that this is backwards. And maybe you could flip it. I didn't know how, but I just think this is adorable. I can't wait to do another one and have it be a different color. Let's see, I need to slide this up here. Okay, and so anyhow, I cut everything out like, you know, with it like this. I think it was connected like this. So now I didn't need that part, so then I just cut them out like this. So here's my shape, and I started with these guys, and I could actually glue them like this since I'm gonna do layers, because that way it would be sandwiched in between. But really, since I'm going to be gluing them on a scrapbook page, you know, it's not like they're going to be hanging on the wall or something where it needs the extra reinforcement. So I just looked at my picture that was backwards. So I'm going to do this so you can see the one that's guiding me. Okay. And I just think these are so cute, and I love them in the different patterns. So for the swap, I'll be sending in all the different patterns. Except for maybe I'll keep my little plaid ones, because, or check ones, whatever, because I've had a lot of black and white cats over my life. It's like if I get to pick out the cat, I'm getting a black and white one. I just love them. Okay, so I put these little pieces on here first. Oh, what did I do with my other? Oh, here they are. Thinking, how come they're not on my place already? Okay. Yeah, I was all prepared to do the other well, I have the other video done, but I have a bunch of events, so I need to get ahead this month, so I'm just saving it for tomorrow. Okay, so this guy goes up here. I like the arrangement that they're in. I mean, you could probably do your own arrangement, but I think this is super cute. And so I'm just doing it like the photo was. And you could use it without this, but I just thought, oh, it's so cute, like it's in this little swirl. Okay, I'm gonna try to turn him in the same direction where his feet end up on this other little swirl. Okay, and I'm just gonna slide him a little bit until he's there. Okay, and then I'm gonna put a little glue and a little glue. And luckily it dries clear because I know I get a little more than what I need. And I know this one, he's only glued on the one foot. And he's hanging there fine. And then this little cat, he actually does look like he's hanging. Like he's just holding on. One time we had these two cats and we called them Dick and Bruce, because one had a little bandit type face and the other one looked, so he was named after Robin from Batman and Robin, and the other one looked like he had the full, or the mask like Batman. And so that was, they were so cute, and actually somebody snitched those. I had a garage sale and I think a lot of people are going, oh, your kittens are so cute. And then one day they both disappeared. Okay, so there's my cats. And you see they're like that. Okay, now this one, I think I'm gonna do the leopard print because I think that is so fun. I really can't wait to do the orange one either. When I see the orange one, they remind me of I think it was my second grade teacher's, or maybe, I think it was maybe third grade. She had an orange cat and she was, I'm trying to think what color I wanted to do this in. I think espresso. Okay. She had an orange cat and it was a big fluffy orange cat, and she brought it in and then she had us draw a picture of it. And then she put the one that she liked the best on her desk. And I remember this because it was mine. So I was pretty excited about that. You know how art just follows you from one thing to the next. Pretty soon it's scrapbooking. Taking pictures and scrapbooking. I know, I used to make cards too, but I really like having the photos in it. It's just not the same as scrapbooking. So, but I do love making embellishments because it's like that instant gratification. And then I also get to use it on my scrapbook page. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. Okay, so I like the inking. It kind of feels like it brings the paper together where now it looks like it's more real and more dimensional. So it's making it dimensional without actually adding dimension, because this is a mini swap and they can't be dimensional, but they can look dimensional. And isn't that cute? And I was thinking, oh, if I make them look, you know, like cats, you know, more with the different patterns, will I need to have faces on them? But no, because they're actually sitting with their back to us. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. Cats are so funny. I had the one cat, he would say, milk. Because I would give him like a teaspoon, hardly any, like just enough to, you know, like be a little bit on the plate. Where's my tweezers? And yeah, he would ask for it. Milk. I did when I was in college, we had to give an informative speech, and so I gave it on cats, and so I read all these different things about cats. I can't remember how many books I read. It was like so interesting. Because one like was the history of cats, and then about cats, they actually make 26 sounds or 30? They make like at least 20 some sounds, and so they have a vocabulary. And I mean, we always think that they just say meow, but they say more than that. And they said that they actually know what people are saying. It's just that they don't care. And I'll tell you, I believe that, because that's a cat attitude if there ever was one. Kind of like some kids sometimes. It was very interesting. And people used to be so frightened of cats because, you know, they'd maybe watch things that you didn't see and, you know, be mysterious. But because of the rats coming over in the hulls of the ship, it actually saved them from extinction, because they ridded places of rats. Which I'm really glad, because I really like cats. I thought I was pulling cats off. Okay, so there's one. Did I actually, I don't even think I inked that one. I'll have to go watch a video. I'll just add some because he looks like he needs some. I don't know if I inked them all. Okay, and I think I didn't. I don't think I inked these ones either. Terry, 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 Terry. I was so into my story. I forgot to ink. Yep, I just inked the first little one and that was it. The two big ones and the first little one. I can see they're not inked. Okay, did I leave? I didn't even leave myself a piece of paper to put them on. Okay, I picked up, you know. And now it's like I'm just, okay, let me just put it on here. I just think they're so cute. Sorry, my battery quit. Let me get back in here. Okay, I finished this little guy, and I'm just gonna ink my other colors just so you can see them. See what they're gonna look like, but then I'll do the rest of them. Okay, so I've got espresso on my little thing now. What did I do with that? Okay, so I think I need this one for the orange cats. Yes, those are cute. I just want to see them all, so I thought you might want to too. But this, I will make, I will get all these done, and then mail them to whoever the captain is. Sign up is tomorrow when you sign up to do the swap. And then you have, I think, 4 days. 4 embellishments, 4 days, and then they have to go out in the mail. And I will put everybody down below who's playing or who's having a video. Not that everybody is playing who's doing this, but anybody who's doing a video, I'll have them listed below. And there is one link where you can just go watch all of them. Aren't they so adorable? I just love them. And I'm glad I didn't just do I want that color? I think I want a different color. I think the tea dye. I was just gonna do them one color, but I thought when the plaid is what got me. It's like, oh, I think I got to do the plaid. So I think that's fun. So now I'm gonna do this one in the, what is it? This one is tea dye. I just thought I'd just give it a little different color. And all these are my scraps, so it's like, that's what we're supposed to be using, our scraps. So I like that. I didn't realize I even had enough black to, you know, do the base, because I kind of like doing the, well, I wanted that branch type thing. I wanted that in the black. And then I thought, well, I'll just do them all, the whole set, and that way I can just glue it right on top of there and just reinforce it a little bit more, and it'll be a little sturdier. And I think they are super cute. I think I don't have the part that, oh, there we go. I was gonna say, I don't think I'm rubbing it with the part that actually has ink on it. Okay, I think that's just about there. This one just needs a little bit more on the tail. Okay, so there's another set. Well, the big ones. Just so you can see the colors. And then I'm going to use black on this one. This is that, it's Craft Consortium, and it looks like, it actually looks like concrete, but I thought, oh, it really kind of, it almost has a fur look to it. And I thought by the time that I antiqued it, it would really have that little bit of fur look to it, because it kind of looks like it's been brushed. Well, and I know when they put down the concrete that they kind of run a broom over it. So that's why it has that brushed look. And so those will look like that. So I'll get the rest of these ready, and they'll be ready to mail out even before I sign up. That's the way I like it. All right, thank you for joining me. Go check out everybody else who's making embellishments, and join us if you'd like to swap. And if you want to join us to swap, you just go to Ginger's Corner on Facebook, and the link will be down below. And have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. And I will be doing the Hello Baby Girl, making the page kits, and then the next day I will be adding the embellishments. So thanks again, have a wonderful and blessed day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.